Let's say you owe the IRS money, whether it be $20,000, $200,000, or $2 million. We've been in business for 30 years. We have a process that's proven to prevent any bad outcomes in cases where you owe the IRS or state, provided you take action soon enough and before anything bad has happened. So how does this work? You find us either through a mailing we've sent you, our YouTube channel, Google search. You call our office. Your initial conversation is going to be directly with me. I'm the owner of the company, the president of the company. I take all potential phone calls. We're going to discuss your case. If your case can be solved by me just telling you what to do, I'm going to tell you that and say it's not worth using our services. If it is worth using our services, we're going to discuss your case. I'm going to outline probably in this quick conversation maybe 2 or 3 options that may eventually present themselves to you. From there, we get engaged. We immediately file a power of attorney, which is a Form 2848. So this is a good distinction to make. A Form 2848 allows me to negotiate and speak with the IRS on your behalf. Once that 2848 is on file with the IRS, you should receive no more phone calls, etc. They only deal with me. You have to deal with me, but you never deal with the IRS again. That's a big distinction from other firms out there that are not licensed to represent people before the IRS. They only file, in many cases, a Form 8821. So that person is only allowed to get information on your account. They are not allowed to negotiate on your account. If your case is urgent, if you have notices that have to be dealt with quickly, I can get that power of attorney from you, and in many cases, I will contact the IRS the exact same day you get us involved. In almost all those cases, I will be able to prevent anything bad from happening in the interim while we come up with a strategy. The next step in the process, we start doing the digging. We go into the IRS system, we figure out what's what, if there's any imminent action getting ready to take place, and put a stop to it or get a hold put on it. We determine if any tax returns are missing. We look for any potential audit issues. We try to determine whether the liabilities you owe the IRS are actually owed, or whether maybe the statutes have run and the IRS hasn't recognized it, or there's assessments that are wrong and need to be corrected, etc., etc. In that first 30 days, we're also gathering information from you to develop the strategy. The first 30 days or 2 weeks to 30 days, that strategy is developed. In many cases, there might be 2 or 3 different strategies. We discuss those with you, figure out the way you want to go, make a recommendation in order to rank if there are 3 strategies, maybe first, second, third, determine which one you want to go with. Then obviously the last step is to implement the strategy and resolve your IRS issue once and for all. All along this process, our job is also to help you prevent these problems from reoccurring. In my mind, if we resolve something that's 2 or 3 years old or current, and we haven't helped you fix the problem, maybe we really haven't done the full job. So in all of our cases, we try to get the taxpayer in a spot where hopefully this will never repeat itself. We like clients that are one and done, and their problems are behind them, and their IRS problems and state problems are resolved.